Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Salam Simon, and today I am sharing this insane reality of my homeland Eritrea. It is a land whose beauty and culture are overshadowed by the relentless oppression. As an Eritrean, I'm being told that my culture is connected to guns and wars and being a militia. And as Eritrean, I know the challenges that I will share with you today is firsthand, and my account and stories align with the findings of the United Nations Human Rights Watch. The people of Eritrea are trapped in a system that condemns freedom and shatters people's hope. There is an indefinite national service that's akin to modern slavery. It forces young people into a lifelong military service without any concerns or freedom to choose their future. The conditions are inhumane without the freedom to live, and they're faced with this unattainable dream of freedom. Freedom of expression in the press only exists on a paper. The government critics are vanishing without a trace. There is inadequate media. There's actually only one media that is being controlled by the government, and the medias have been eradicated, and the voices of the courageous are silenced behind bars. Furthermore, the religious freedom is non-existent. If they dare to practice their faith outside of the state-approved boundaries, they face persecution and oppression, and they are living a nightmare for their beliefs. If you are a Protestant, you get arrested or behind bars because you practice your belief. So this grim reality compels thousands of people to flee, including myself, and we are embarking on this very dangerous journey in search of freedom. Amid this darkness, the Blue Revolution is emerging to challenge and to stop the decades-long indoctrination through festivals and propagandas. They have been gathering funds from diaspora internationally to strengthen its grip on power of dictatorship. The Blue Revolution stands against the system, and we are leveraging global stage to raise awareness and garner support. It shines the light on the oppression, and we are fostering a resistance that's robust enough to end this tyranny, and hopefully going into our country to have our own constitution and basic human rights. So let us draw inspiration from this movement and raise our voices for justice and human rights in Eritrea. Now it's time for a collective action against oppression. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for listening, and the fight for better Eritrea is a collective struggle. One, everybody in every country across the globe must embrace the Blue Revolution.